woke up pretty early today. Well, some of us anyway. If we're gonna get all these chickens done, we'll have to start soon. But first, I need to figure out what to make for breakfast, and then we'll get to choring. Hey, buddy. Often the challenge of days like this is not actually just getting like the chickens butchered, but it's also getting that along with all our other work done at the same time. What makes this even more interesting is that Dad's not home today, so it's just us doing the chickens. Oh, please start. Yesterday we got our equipment set up by the barn, so that's all ready and we don't have to get that. Today also, we got the chickens in the stock trailer last night, so they are already up by the place. They are ready. So right now I'm gonna go try to find one of my brothers to explain how exactly the butchering process works, because while I help with it, I don't exactly know what to do. I just do what I'm told.
So to start with, we got the chickens over here in a horse trailer. We bring them all up at once. It's a lot faster than bringing them up like 10 at a time. We used to put them in a wheelbarrow with a hog panel over the top of it, but that was a little bit of a sad day. Alright, so then we bring them over here into the kill cones. Obviously you got to kill them before you can butcher them. And then and then we bring them from here. We can put 4 in this scalder that softens up the feathers, makes it easier to get them off in the plucker, which I'll show you in just a minute. Put them in there, turn it on, it rotates them around. This water is about 155 degrees, sorry. And we rotate them in there for about a minute and a half, give or take. We put them in this plucker, which actually is supposed to have water running right here, which I don't have the hose hooked up because I'm not that far yet. Okay, so we just turn it on like so. That spins them around. They do the chicken dance. It takes the feathers off. It's all fun. It's not fun to hand pluck the chicken. And then you bring them over here. Put them on the table, got them out. That's the girl's job. And put them in the freezer, and then put them in the pot and eat them.
Okay, thank you. Hey, you got out of bed! What's up? Yeah, you did. Did you wake him up?
No, he was alright.
Okay. So now we're done with almost everything. Actually, Alina's still inside doing dishes, but that doesn't count. And we're gonna go see how the chicken butchering is actually done. Are you helping? Good job. Such a glamorous job.
Me?
We.
It's a humbling job.
Keep the flies off, get the guts out, take the feathers off. We're kind of at a standstill right now because our scalder is not keeping temperature and the cages that are supposed to go around are not going around and something's wrong with the motor, which is why, while it's great to have equipment that makes things faster, it's really touchy and sometimes it doesn't work, which is not good. It's 1:30 and we're done butchering the chickens. So now we're gonna eat lunch. I can hear everybody coming in. And then we're gonna start bagging the chickens. And that is how we butchered 64 chickens just in one day. Thank you for watching!